Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the keyboard has power and a reliable connection. Check batteries or the power switch, then plug into a different USB port or repair Bluetooth. Open Device Manager and look for yellow warnings or unknown devices. That tells you if Windows sees a problem. Once done, disable any USB selective suspend settings and note the driver name shown. These steps locate whether the issue is hardware, connection, or driver level, so you can fix the right layer next. Now you perform the core fix. Remove and replace the driver. In Device Manager, uninstall the keyboard device and choose to remove driver software if prompted, then reboot so Windows clears the old configuration. After restart, install the latest keyboard or chipset drivers from the manufacturer, use signed drivers and run installers as administrator. Once installed, make sure any third-party input utilities are disabled because they can intercept keys. This sequence rebuilds the driver stack and often eliminates intermittent failures. Finish by verifying input across modes. Open a text editor, use the on-screen keyboard, and test keys in BIOS to confirm pre-OS functionality. If BIOS accepts input, the issue is software. Disable USB power saving and check for keyboard firmware updates. Install firmware only from the vendor. Once done, stress test typing for several minutes. If problems persist, try another keyboard on this machine and test the suspect keyboard on another PC. That isolates hardware failure so you can replace or repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.